You don't understand something. What do you say? Don't stay silent. Don't guess. Ask for help in English. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Asking for help is a superpower. It shows you are brave. It helps you learn faster. Today you learn exactly what to say. Section 1. Saying you don't understand. These phrases are polite and natural. Sorry, I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? Can you say that again? I'm not sure I understand. What does that mean? All of these are polite. All are correct. Practice tips start with sorry or excuse me to sound polite. Sorry. Could you repeat that? Perfect. Section 2. Asking for clarification. Clarification means asking for more detail. Can you explain that? Can you give me an example? Do you mean? Then say what you think. Are you saying that? So, if I understand correctly, these phrases show you are listening. They show you want to understand. Practice. Imagine your teacher says something difficult. What do you say? Try. Sorry, can you explain that? Your turn. Section 3. Asking for help in everyday life. Not just in class, in real life too. Excuse me, can you help me? Could you show me how to do this? Is there someone who can help me? I'm looking for... Use this in shops or buildings. Could you write that down for me? Great if you're learning. Could you speak more slowly, please? Very useful. People will respect you for asking. It is much better than pretending you understand. Recap. Saying you don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Asking for clarification. Can you explain? Do you mean? Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Please speak more slowly. These 10 phrases will help you every single day. Your challenge: use one of these phrases today, in class, at work, or in a shop. Tell me in the comments which phrase you used. If this helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.